Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea at home easily. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's black, green, or herbal. You'll need about 2 tea bags per 8 ounces of water for a strong brew. Heat your water to the appropriate temperature, then steep the tea for 3 to 5 minutes. This ensures a rich flavor that won't become diluted when chilled. Remove the tea bags and let the tea cool to room temperature before moving to the next step. Once your tea has cooled, it's time to get it cold. Fill a pitcher or individual glasses with plenty of ice. Pour the cooled tea directly over the ice. If you prefer sweet tea, now is the perfect time to add your sweetener. You can use simple syrup, granulated sugar, or honey. Start with 1/4 cup of sweetener and adjust to your liking, stirring until fully dissolved. This method prevents a cloudy appearance. Making iced tea is also a fantastic opportunity to get creative with flavors. Try adding fresh fruit slices like lemon, lime, or orange directly to your pitcher for a citrusy kick. Fresh herbs such as mint or basil can also elevate your tea, providing a wonderfully aromatic experience. For a sweeter, fruitier option, consider mixing in a splash of peach, berry, or mango juice. These additions can transform a simple iced tea into a gourmet beverage with minimal effort. Your delicious homemade iced tea is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over fresh ice, perhaps with a garnish like a lemon wedge or a sprig of mint. If you have any leftovers, store them in a sealed pitcher or container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 3 days. And speaking of staying hydrated, check out the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold on the go. Enjoy your refreshing beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.